Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to change the photo background to gray with the Apowersoft background eraser. Gray background is a color that can help emphasize the image of a model or products such as bags, jewelries, clothes, etc. So if you want to easily change the background of your photo in gray, then follow the steps shown in this video. First, open the app, tap the Remove Person Background, and upload to remove its background automatically. Once done, go to the Background feature, then Color, and choose the gray color. You will see that the background will turn gray. After that, click the Save HD button at the upper right part of its platform to save the photo to your phone. And that's how you easily turn the background to gray with Apowersoft background eraser. Thanks for watching.